Assalamualaikum guys, I am Guti Baba and now I'm gonna solve this problem from MCH CTF 2022. So here it is named Crypto Machine. So here's a file. I have already downloaded it, and here I got a encrypted message, and also I got a Python script. So let's see it here. So here we can see that there is an argument, and then the input argument string is encoded into hex and then base 64, and then here this is a b c d f g h, okay, and then NOP. So it is just translated into this form, suppose if the character is a, then the output will be n. If the character is b, then the output will be o. So we know that it seems like rod 13 because the 13th character of a is n, so it is converted into rod 13 with this module string. And after that um, they took every character from this return value, okay, means the rod 13 string, and after they used ORD function, and to the power 0x42 mean 66. Let me show you 0x42 here 66. So it's a bitwise operation here, okay. So it's a bitwise operation, and after that the value is converted into character, and then the character is returned. Okay, so here the encryption begins. At first R means R function, okay, here R is R here, so R. So at first it is converted into rod 13, and then H for Higgs, and then X for X. Where is X? Here, this character, okay, and then B, it means base 64, okay. By the way, so I have already made a Python script, and if I show you the cipher again, okay, here is the cipher and here is the script. Here I put the cipher here as in m variable, and I imported the modules that needed, and then here at last it is converted into base 64. So in the output, at first the encoded cipher is base 64, okay. So at first we have to decode base 64 here, so I just did that here, base 64 dot decode, and after that here is x, mean x for, yeah, here character. So this function is used, so I used that in here, and after that I got a list of decoded code, and then I made the list, I converted the list into a string like this cipher, okay. So after that I decoded the whole string from hexadecimal to next cipher, and after that here we can see R, okay, R for here maybe rod 13, yeah, rod 13. So I decoded rod 13 here I translated this to this, means the next format to before, and I just reversed rod 13 here, okay. And if I run the script, okay, this is Python 2 script, okay, yeah. So I got the flag here. It is so easy, just need some logic here and need to no basic. Okay, here the flag is submitted. Okay, thanks for today, and I'm trying to do the other challenges too.